sige po, taas ko lang ng different para hindi kasi masuk sa script. Sabay-sabay ko lang kasi. Ayaw mo yung pinipin ko.
General welfare Number 2, for happiness, peace, and prosperity. Living in public service of ourselves as the guiding principle of my mission and as the thread of pathways of global association and of my life shall be through righteousness and Filipino people.
Madam Presiding Officer, there are 7 members.
acknowledge our water system manager, Engineer Masali. Last session ay pahayag natin yung problema doon sa Makagawa Regulation kung saan nailagay sa labas ng area ng verification na kapuran yung tubig na kanilang pinagpapunan. Pagpuntahan namin ay may mga accident na mga minor accidents. Kaya request ng mga tao doon yung engineer kung pwede may pasok kaya buksan na lang yung bakod na yun para hindi na sila mahirapan lumabas. Kasi makapasok sila doon sa barbed wire. Pwede ba yun engineer?
Siguro po, sir, ang solusyon na lang po doon para kasi yung page na magandang umaga po sa ang solusyon na lang po natin doon para maiwasan na kasi yung page na ginawa po doon, protection din po para sa kanila. So, i-adjust na lang po namin yung ilipat na lang po namin yung touchdown namin doon na po mismo sa premises nila. Pwede naman po yun, extension lang naman po yun.
Thank you. Sana po ay magawa sa madaling panahon.
Ay, opo. Actualan po natin. Akala ko nga po ang inisip ko ano kaya yung problem sa rasa. Kasi po, meron po kami exposed pipes po roon na 2 inches. Yun po ay subject for our experimentation. Kasi yung doon sa anong sitio yun, papunta sa Tabutin, 100 meters from doon po sa pinaka-block namin wala pong tubig. So, nakwento nga po kagawad na ihiwalay na po namin yung barangay Amas. Magkaroon po na sariling line from water treatment plant upang sa ganon. Nagkaroon po na problem, yung main transmission line natin ay hindi na po sila mapituan. So, by next year po yan magagawa na. So, but yung concern po ay i-ano po namin. Ayos po.
Thank you, Engineer. Meron pa tayo na isabihin kay Engineer Kabasan. Councilor Puline, kasi alam natin masyadong busy ang ating manager.
Madam Chair, kanina po ay kausap na rin kami nung bago ako magsimula yung session. Kausap na kami ni Engineer Kasalas. So, at napag-usapan na namin kung mga dapat gawin ko. At hindi rin kasi nila na in-expect noon na yung napag-taiwan na yun ay lalabas pala doon sa property na nabili naman. At hindi naman po yung may-ari ng lupa, sila Mr. Danny Chan, na mag-isa sa Rasa Chan, yung nagpapalipas ko yung mga relicantis natin doon sa location site na yung healing kasi nga paglalapot sa gabi ay medyo masinsing yung barbed wire, mahirap susunod, may mga sugat sa ulo, sa paa. So, naintindihan na rin po para maliwanag ang usap ng pamilya. Salamat po sa pagtulong.
Okay, wala na ay excuse na natin si Engineer para makabalik sa kanyang opisina.
Thank you very much.
Salamat, Engineer Kabasan. Number 7.
Item number 1, letter from the Municipal Mayor requesting for appropriate action on the request of Mendo for the creation and passing of an ordinance providing a legal framework in addressing illegal sand and gravel extraction and transportation in this municipality.
Refer to the Committee on Environmental Protection.
Another letter from the Municipal Mayor requesting authority to enter into MOA with Southern Palawan College Incorporated and certified authority.
Committee
Another letter from the municipal mayor requesting for appropriate action on the request of PFP Brooks Point Fire Station for donation of parcel of land to build a standard fire station. Another letter from the municipal mayor requesting for authority to enter into MOA with Kalasagi National High School. Another request for authority to enter into MOA with PSU to update the existing MOA with the rural health unit and certified as sergeant. Another letter from the municipal mayor for authority to enter into MOA with PSU. Dalawa po na number 7. Number 7, let us position number 7. A letter from the municipal mayor requesting authority to enter into MOA with PSU University for the Business Incubation Program. Another letter from the municipal mayor requesting authority to transact and facilitate payment of transfer of title for the relocation site in situ Paratumon, Barangay Pambilyan, Roxton, Palawan, certified as urgent.
By the way, yung previous measure yung about sa PSU, refer natin sa Committee on Education. And then yung sa
Rural Health.
relocation.
Facilitate payment of transfer of title for the relocation site in situ Paratumon. Number 9, a letter from the municipal mayor requesting for appropriate action on the request of MDRRMO for temporary road closure starting November 26 to 27 from route beside SPPH to Government Center Compound in Barangay Tikpo. Number 10, draft resolution commending Miss Mary Loy Ives Kipte Recalde for bringing pride in the municipality of Brooks Point, Palawan, introduced by Councilor Nathan Sam Nakanilan. Number 11, a letter from the municipal mayor requesting for the approval of MDC resolution number 2024-31 approving the supplemental AIP amounting to 2,171,150 as certified as urgent.
Finance.
Wala na po ano.
Committee
recommendation about committee request for the supply for the approval of the resignation of the second and third today's regular session. And number 2 is a recommendation for the Maasin or the Maasin, and third, the last one, number 4. Arigumos, Prosper Palawan, for the approval of the submission for second and third reading into the regular session.
Councilor Ferraris, ang pansin lang with regard to the delivery text, regularly, hindi lang ang pamasin. For 2024.
Yes po, kasi na-link siya kanina, hindi pa nila nagawa yung budget for 2025. That's why, kaya nga po kanina, as I mentioned, kailangan po may pasok na ito dahil hindi pa nila nagagawa. Dahil kasi po naging problema, yung kanilang mga budget, sabi ko nga, kung hindi access ng sanggunian, may problema sila sa budget. Kaya sabi ko, proceed kayo sa budget, doon kayo, ayusin mo na ninyo bago pasok dito. So, naayusin mo na nila, that's why, natili na po sila ng sa kanila.
Bakit sila natatrapo yan?
In-text po, parang hindi sila nakakasama.
Pwede po sila mag-withdraw na pang salary at saka utilities po. Pero yung ibang project sila.
Thank you. Next, Councilor Felipe.
Umaga po, talagang mamulod at ganoon din po sa miyembro ng ating pong kalagdagan na 2-0. Yan ay committee report from the Committee on Environmental Protection and Natural Resources, Housing and Land Use. Subject, Editor from Mr. RLR requesting for SP endorsement for the renewal of permit for San Grafo Park located at the Plan River, Sitio Babang, Barangay Pagpilyan, Sugal, Palawan. Madam Chair, since everybody has a copy of this report, I will be speaking to reading of the findings. I will go to the recommendation of the committee. The committee recommends for the passage of the resolution favorably endorsing the renewal application of Mr. Edwin RLR for the commercial San Grafo permit quarry located at Plan River, Sitio Babang, Barangay Pagpilyan, Sugal, Palawan for second and third reading in today's regular session. Hindi lang po nasayan ni Speaker Rada, pero kasama po yung committee. Nandang wala pa po sa Speaker Rada.
Next, Antonis. Calendar business, Antonis. This is for the day. pesos. This resolution is second and final reading. By the way, resolution pa your ordinance?
Yes po. Yung last year, kailangan sa mga certification, but now, parang 2025 na ayaw ko sa kanilang resolution. Yan po yung bagong pinalabas. So, later, endorsing the CBC resolution number 820, number 31 section 24 for the approval and adoption. This is certified ordinance by our department.
Madam
Or
Councilor Colleen. Hintay na tayo sa gadget. Okay, bilis lang kasi hintay tayo sa gadget.
proceed with that side.
Or mag-break na tayo.
Good morning, Madam Presiding Officer and my councilors. I have here a copy of the resolution. Resolution regarding the award of the with regards to the committee report, the Emergency Committee on Environment. The resolution probably you receive the renewal application of Mr. Equity Aguilar for the commercial sand and gravel quarry located at Ilaglan River Situ, Pabangon, Barangay Pampilan, Point Palawan. Be approved and adopted.
Any objection? Hearing none. May we be endorsing the renewal application of for the commercial sand and quarry located at Ilaglan River Situ, Pabangon, Barangay Pampilan, Next, Councilor.
Our business one.
Sa Alasay. Ilan ang business ko today? Alasay.
Maraming po salamat, Madam Chair. And I am seeking for support po sa urgency ng isang resolution na to para po kay Mary Loy Gifted Recalde or Lucas Panoy. Resolution commending Ms. Mary Loy Gifted Recalde Panoy for bringing pride in the municipality of Point Palawan for urgency po.
Yes. Go ahead.
Thank you, Madam Chair. And I'm passing a resolution commending Ms. Mary Loy Gifted Recalde, or known as Panoy, for bringing pride in the municipality of Point Palawan. Be approved and adopted.
Amendments. Madam Chair, amendments po.
Author po lahat ng member po ng
Approve ulit sa Secretary.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Next.
Aside po, Madam Chair. Good morning, dear colleagues. I have here a request from our municipal mayor, a resolution authorizing our LCE to enter into MOA with PSU for the Business Incubation Program. Even though it wasn't certified as urgent by our local chief executive team, may I humbly request my colleagues to treat this matter as urgent.
Any
Thank you,
objection?
Madam Chair. Moving to the urgency from the plaintiff, because the local chief executive is as urgent.
Please continue. You may now proceed with the approval of that.
Thank you po, Madam Chair. I move that the resolution authorizing the LCE to enter into a MOA with PSU for the Business Incubation Program be approved and adopted.
Any objection? Hearing none. And we also approve that MOA with issue in second and final. Sure.
I move that the resolution authorizing the LCE to enter into MOA with SPCI for their supervised intensive learning or on-the-job training be approved and adopted.
Any objection? Hearing none, then we also approve the authority and the local chief executive to enter into a MOA with SPCI.
Thank you.
I would like to seek your support with this resolution as urgent. This was started for first reading last session. The draft resolution requesting the Honorable Mayor to allocate funds from the 2025 budget for the construction of mini covered court at Amas Elementary School.
I second.
Any objection? Hearing none, then we now proceed.
And for the approval of a resolution requesting Honorable Mayor Cesario Martin Jr. to allocate funds for the construction of mini covered court at Amas Elementary School.
Any objection? Hearing none, then we approve the resolution requesting the local chief executive to allocate funds for the construction of mini covered court for Amas Elementary.
Another resolution, Madam Chair, same content, but this mini covered court request is for selected elementary schools in Bruce Point, for Samariñana Elementary School, Proyecto MCETIAS Elementary School, Mahagua Elementary School, Naranjo Elementary School, Abubakar Elementary School, and Calasagin Shores Elementary School.
I second.
Any objection?
Tingnan mo.
Hearing none, please continue the question.
I move for the approval of a resolution requesting the local chief executive to allocate funds from the 2025 budget for the construction of mini covered courts in selected elementary schools in Bruce Point.
Second.
Any objection? Hearing none, then we approve that resolution.
So,
Councilor Rodriguez.
Madam Chair, another measure under unassigned is a MOA coming from our local chief executive to enter into a MOA with Calasagin National High School for their working partnership being certified as successful.
Second.
Please continue.
I move that the resolution authorizing our LCE to enter into a MOA with Calasagin National High School for their work in partnership be approved and adopted.
I second.
Any objection? Hearing none, then we also approve the authority of the local chief executive to enter into a MOA with Calasagin National High School for work immersion purposes. Approved. And then second by Next, Councilor Cabanilao.
Thank you, Madam Chair. And I am seeking the urgency of this matter. This is for the temporary closure of roads from besides SPPH to Government Center compound sa Tugtog from November 26 to 27 as requested by RMDR and NECO.
Yes, I second, Madam Chair, for the urgency.
Thank you.
Please proceed.
I move for the approval for the road temporary closure starting November 26 to 27 from road beside SPPH to Government Center compound in Barangay Tugtog be approved and adopted.
Dapat sa Mayor, Chris Dawili, and Mayor Office of Luis Parada.
Ikaw kaya ba ka?
Hindi.
Madam Chair, pero may kopya pa ang proponent. So baka pwede na rin na niyang mapaliwanag sa ibang mga kasamahan.
Oo.
Yung supplementary IP ng opisina.
Ibala pa po tayo muna ng isa at sumubuhat ako niya. I have here a request for the resolution of authorizing the local to transact, facilitate, payment transfer of title or relocation site in situ Pato ng Barangay Montilla. This is certified custody. Kaya naman po yung mga title dito na rin ang mga
This is the approval.
Yes, sir. Siguro po, this measure, i-ano na natin ang sa chairman ng House. Kasi wala po siyang solution. So, it's better po na doon na kasi medyo magaganda na hindi na po natin. Hindi na po natin.
Good morning po, Chair. I have ano lang,
Oo.
i-gather namin mga sa isa rin po meron kayo.
Sana magawa na today kasi kailangan na nila today. Okay, so this our session.
Third reading po. Third reading po. Third reading po.
Other time.
Ordinance number 2024.
Sasay naman, di ba?
Ordinance number 2024-39, establishing a grievance mechanism for senior citizens and persons with disabilities in the municipality of Brooks Point, providing for the creation of a grievance committee and for other purposes. Sponsored by the